friend Sarah and draw a turkey stack.
Yeah, one that's a folding surprise. It'll just look like one turkey, and then when you unfold it, it'll have a whole bunch of turkeys.
Yes.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need paper and...
something to color with.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay.
We're first going to take the top edge of our paper, and we're going to fold it down to the bottom edge, line it up, and crease it down the middle, and then out to the corners. Then we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold the bottom edge back up to the top. And line it up and then crease it down. Then we're going to take our piece of paper and flip it over. There you go. And we're going to take this flap, the bottom edge, line it up to the top edge, and fold it down. Then we're going to unfold that last fold. Flatten it out. There you go. And then we're going to flip it back over. So it should open up like this. Next, we're going to take a scratch piece of paper and put it underneath our drawing paper. This is to protect our table. It doesn't have to be red. It could be whatever color paper you have. Just a scratch piece of paper. Now we're ready to use our markers. We're going to draw our turkey. And we're going to draw the first turkey right here. Half of it is going to be above this fold and the other half below this fold. So let's first draw his head, or her head, above the fold. I'm going to draw an oval shape. I want to make sure it's above this middle fold right here. Good job. Then we're going to draw the beak. We're going to draw the letter V right in the middle of the oval. And then we can connect the top. Then we're going to draw the little wattle, I think that's what it's called, on the side of the beak. Let's also draw the eyes. We're going to draw a circle on the left and a circle over here on the right. Now you can change the style of your eyes. You can add different details. You can add eyelashes or pupils. We're going to draw a little circle inside for the highlight and then color in the big circle. There you go. And then you could do the same thing over here on the right side. Little circle and then color in the big circle. There's our turkey head. Good job, Ost. Now we're ready to draw the body. We're going to start over here and we're going to draw the letter U. We'll come over the fold, across, and then back up, and then connect back to the head. Keep going. You're doing good. And then back up. Nice, and then over the fold and then connect to the head. Now let's draw the wings. We're going to start here on the head and draw a curve that connects to the outside of the body, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's also draw the feet. I'm going to draw a little U shape over here and another U shape over here for the other one. Kind of looks like our turkey sitting down. Let's draw a little line in the middle to split the foot for the talons. All right, Austin, we did it. Well, we're not completely done. Our turkey kind of looks like a penguin. What else were we missing?
His tail feathers.
Yeah, the tail feathers. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to draw a line that comes out, and this line could be both on top of the fold and below the fold. So you can see it down here and also up here on this part. I'm going to also draw a line on this side. Comes out just a little bit. So it looks like arms coming out. There you go. You could redraw it if you need to. You could draw part of the line above and part of it below. Yeah, there you go. Now we're going to curve around. We're going to finish the bottom feather. We're going to curve around like this and then connect into the body. Yeah, it definitely looks like arms. Then we'll do the same thing over here on the right side. Curve around and then connect into the body. Okay, now we're going to draw the next row of feathers. We're going to curve around like this, connect into the body, or the head, I mean. Do the same thing over here, connect in. Now it looks like a butterfly. Hopefully eventually it'll start looking like a turkey. All right, let's do one line that comes out of the middle of the head like that. Then we're going to curve around on the left side and then connect back into the head. And then we'll curve around on the other side and connect back in. Now it looks like a butterfly and a bunny.
Oh, yeah.
Next, we're going to draw a line that comes out right in between on both sides. Like that. Yeah. And we can curve around and connect to the bottom feather. Well, that's a big feather. I like how big that one is. And then we're going to curve around and connect to this one over here too. Let's do the same thing on this side. We can connect to the top and then also connect down to the bottom. I like our turkey. Whoa, that's going to be a big feather too. I like it. Oh, keep going. Yeah, good job. Now we're ready to unfold our paper like this. We're going to flatten it out. We have half of our turkey up here on the top and half down here. Now these are going to be two turkeys when it's open like this. So let's draw the head for the bottom turkey. We're going to repeat all of the same steps. I'm going to draw another oval down here for the turkey that's at the bottom of the stack. And we want to make sure that when we're drawing everything on the inside of the folding surprise, that we're drawing above the bottom fold and below the top fold. That way, when it's folded like this, the inside is hidden. Yeah. All right, let's draw the rest of the details on this one. How about we draw this one different? Maybe this one's angry. We're going to draw a line in the middle. He's at the bottom of the stack. We're going to draw the letter V on the bottom and an upside down V for the top. His beak's open and he's screaming. Help me. Then we're going to draw the little waddle over here on the side. I think that's what it's called. And then we're going to draw the eyes. Let's draw sideways V's for his closed eyes. All right, now we're ready to draw the next turkey. We're going to come up here and we're going to draw another head up here higher. I'm going to draw it right about here. It's just above the center line. Then we're going to draw the face on this one too. I'm going to draw a letter V. And then we're going to draw a curve, connect the top. Then we can draw that little waddle on the side. Then let's draw this one really happy. I'm going to draw upside down U's for the eyes. Okay, let's draw the body next. I'm going to draw the letter U that comes down and it's going to connect to the bottom head down here. So that one might be a lot taller. It's going to be a tall turkey. That's okay. It's awesome. Good job. Let's add the wings. And then we can add the feet just like we did down here, but we're going to draw them on top of this one's head. So we'll draw them coming out to the side. And then let's split the toes. We'll draw a line right down the middle of each foot.
Now it kind of looks like a chick.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, a baby chick. Now, if we ever go too fast and our art friends need more time, what can they do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you could always pause the video if you need extra time. Also, if you want to add more details. Okay, let's keep going.
Yes.
Now we're going to finish the body for the top turkey up here. I'm going to do the same thing. Connect the letter U right where you can see it on the top part. Yeah. Connect it back in. Then we can start where the feathers or the wing on the left side was and come out to the side. And same thing over here. Let's also draw the feet on top of this middle chicken or turkey. Then we can draw the toes right down the middle. That's a really tall turkey stack.
Yes.
Now we're missing all of the tail feathers. So let's start down here at the bottom and we're going to add these in first. Oh, before we do that, let's connect the body into the head. I kind of missed that part. There you go. And you can also connect the wings into the head too. Now let's draw the tail feathers. We're going to draw that curve that comes up like this and then connect it back into the head. Draw another feather over here and connect it in. Let's do it slightly different. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out like that, and I'm going to draw another line that comes out. So on this one, on the right side, draw two. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you can do that too. And then just draw the line coming out to the side. And then we'll connect this one down, and then we can connect this one down too. Oh, this is a big feather. And then we'll do the same thing right here. We're going to draw a line that curves around and connects in, curves around, connects in. Oh, I like how those got smaller. I have extra room right here for one more feather. I'm just going to draw part of it because it's going behind the top turkey or the middle one. You can do the same thing too. There you go. Now we're going to repeat those same steps for the middle turkey, but I think we'll do this one just a little different so that it makes it easier. We're going to draw the first line that comes out to the side on each side. There you go. Then let's draw another one that splits this one right here. Kind of goes diagonal. And we could also, let's do one in between here, and then let's do one that comes up here too, up higher. There you go. Now we're going to connect all of these with a little bumpy line that connects in between each of them. That was a little easier.
Yeah.
Maybe the next time we do this lesson, we could do all of the feathers just like that. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing our turkey stack.
But we still need to color it.
Yes, this is my favorite part. At the end, you guys can pause the video if you want to use our drawings as inspiration for your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
We did it! We finished coloring and drawing our turkey stack. Let's show our art friends. Ready?
3,
3, 2, 1. Happy Thanksgiving! I love your turkeys. They turned out perfect. Now you guys can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You could also color your turkeys any way you want.
You could also add a background.
Yeah, you could add more things in the folding surprise. Maybe there's grass down here at the bottom, and then when you open it up, there's a really tall fence.
Yeah, because they're trying to escape.
Yeah, they're on each other's head trying to jump over the fence.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your turkey folding surprise.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye! Happy Thanksgiving!
Ugh.